You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is a smaller than -17/4 smaller than -41/4. Let's solve it step by step. Group all a terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 6a from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 7 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the a. Divide both sides by -4. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is a smaller than -17/4 smaller than -41/4.